Hello, this is Ami. In this episode, I'd like to show you what happens when you change the name of the team site, what happens to the permission groups, and the Office 365 groups. So currently, the name of the site is Team Ami, and if we go to the gear icon and go to Site Permissions, I'll go to the Advanced, and we will see the three default groups, visitors, members, and owners here with the name of the site. Just let's look in the site collection admin. We will see also the owners group, which is an Office 365 group, because we added to this group and not specifically to. And if we go to the members, we see a group also of the Team Army members, which is also a 365 group. Okay, so now actually let's see what happens if I change the name. So I'll click on the gear icon and go to site information, and I'll change the name to Team Army 999. So the name has changed here. Okay, let's check what else we can see. Let's go to the gear icon, site permissions, and now let's go to advanced. We now see that the name has changed for the team's members, owners, and visitors. But let's see what happened to the Office 365 groups. I'll click on Site Collection Admin. I see it's the old name. You see, the initial one was Team Army. The new one is Team Army 999. Okay, so if somewhere I will try to look for this, I need to look for the old name. The same thing is in the members. So you see the name of the group is 999, but the name of the Office 365 is the old one. Let's see, actually, I'll try to remove this, mark it, and I will do remove users, groups. Let's try to add it. I'll click on new, add users, and I will look for Teams, Team Army. Okay, this group actually I cannot find. This is the group that I'm trying to add. Okay, so it actually adds the old group actually of the Office 365. So let's look. Yes, this is it. So I wanted to point out this issue because in some sites that my customers have changed the name, then if they look for the other name, they could not find it. They can find only the initial name. For instance, if I look for owners now, for instance, let's look for owner. It will not find anything. Team, Army, owner. Okay, this is a different issue and we will try to find it. So thank you very much for watching my show and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.